Hello everyone, a warm welcome to the Department of Zoology, School of Biological Sciences, University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya. Students and faculty from all the parts of Northeast India, they come together in this vibrant department to form one family here. To learn more about the zoological world, starting from tiny algae living in this sea to the complex mammal surviving in this planet Earth.
Kublai Yepibaro, Salam Ripengrang. Yipiang Smobha Yepibaro at Zoology Department, Jongka University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya, Kabadon, Hakiling, Ribhoi District, but Hajan Jongka Amchang, Wildlife Sanctuary, Hapoka Department Jongi, Nidan Katsangut Kinohikai, Kabadan Yaga Jingnang, Gajingtem, Kabari Babun, Bunsnem, Masanut Kilab Assistant, Kiban Ai, Kajingnang, Kajing Start, Kabiang. Ka department Jongi Kadan, Wiki undergraduate, postgraduate, but PhD courses. Nidanro Eka Museum, Library, Santali ki Lab, Santali ki Specialization Paper, ki Bakim Thup, Yaka Animal Ecology, Entomology, Fishery, Animal Physiology and Biochemistry, but ka Cell and Molecular Biology. Klem ka Jingpen Slam, aling nyepe Yaka Department Jongi.
That is a 4-year-old red-eared slider. One of the most beautiful features of our department is the self-sustaining water system. We have other animals also here, like the Indian roof turtle, fishes like shubankin, nishigiko, common goldfish. The animals have a very friendly relation with the people of this department. Their health checkups are frequently conducted by the faculty of the department and the university veterinary officer. The water quality is also regularly monitored.
The very entrance of our department shows the start of a human race evolving from its ancestral apes. I was unable to learn the geological timescale until this wall compelled me to. As a kinesthetic learner, I'll forever be grateful to the department for making learning interesting.
By Jerry Sauce. Museums are the workhorse to the other worlds. Welcome to the Salim Ali Museum of Biological Diversity, Department of Zoology. Dedicated to the Birdhood of India and inaugurated by the Honorable Minister of Forest and Health, Meghalaya, this museum, it transfers the incredible diversity of animal life, showcasing more than 1700 preserved species.
No matter wherever we are in the department, we learn things our eyes fall upon on the different types of trail marks of animals, ornamental fishes, or the life history of Rosalind Franklin.
Classrooms are where we learn theories and laboratories are where we practice those theories. We have labs dedicated to molecular biology, cell biology, animal physiology, fishery, and ecology.
Students from undergraduate level receives hands-on practicing in light microscopy, micropipetting, histology, hematology, soil and water analysis.
This is one of our smart classroom. Apart from the regular classes, the student get exposure of different coaching classes of competitive exams like CRF, NET, SLET, GATE, etc. in both online and offline mode.
मेरा व्यक्तिगत पसंदीदा और अनूठी चीज है ये प्रकृति पाठशाला। सीमित कक्षा में अक्सर चर्चा बहुत नीरस हो जाती है, इसलिए हमने प्रकृति की गोद में इस पाठशाला की स्थापना की है। ये न केवल हमें हमारी भारतीय जड़ों से जोड़ती है, बल्कि हमें मैदानिक व्यवहारिक अनुभव भी प्रदान करती है। हम इस पाठशाला में चिड़िया पर डायरेक्टली उड़ते हुए देखकर उनकी उड़ान गतिशीलता के बारे में जान सकते हैं, या फिर जीव मंडलों को देखकर उनके मॉर्फोलॉजी के बारे में जान सकते हैं। इस तालाब में मौजूद जीवित टैडपोल हमें डेवलपमेंटल बायोलॉजी सीखने में मदद करती है, और इस पार्क में हम क्वाड्रेट और ड्रिफ्ट, फेंस पिटफॉल सैंपलिंग, बर्ड कॉल आइडेंटिफिकेशन और ना जाने क्या कुछ कर सकते हैं।
Yan ang tangtang ng iba bioclock technology nga sipon nga department no sakala aro nga dingtang na tok ni bakang kubayano sakala ha jirake anabas studies bigan kuy na tok nga aro nga iko research ka na skill na tanga sa pani ko nam dapat na aro department ni tangka pesarang ko na nam dapat na aro sipang jolo dongeng gepa ketsi sungadam nang na nga tanggi thang na.
This is the institutional animal house of the University of Science and Technology, managed by the Department of Zoology.
In our animal house, we have mice, rat, rabbit, and guinea pig.
Our departmental animal house is regulated by the Animal Ethics Committee.
The doors of our department are always open for everyone who wants to visit us and be a part of a huge, diverse family. Keep visiting, keep supporting. Thank you. Namaskar.